What if the most important brain cells aren't neurons? For decades, neuroscience focused on neurons alone, but another cellular network was hiding in plain sight. These cells are called glia, and they outnumber neurons in many brain regions. Once dismissed as simple support cells, today, they are rewriting brain science. Glia influence learning, memory, and cognition. They regulate neural communication, they protect and repair brain tissue, and they may determine cognitive longevity. To understand why, we must enter the microscopic brain. Inside every thought lies a cellular partnership. Neurons send signals, but glia orchestrate the environment. Among them, astrocytes are master regulators. Their star-shaped branches touch thousands of synapses. Every second, they monitor neural activity. They control neurotransmitter balance. They supply metabolic fuel to neurons. Without astrocytes, neural communication fails. But astrocytes do much more. They actively shape synaptic strength. This process is called neural plasticity. Plasticity allows the brain to adapt, to learn, to remember, and to recover from damage. Every experience rewires neural networks. Astrocytes help decide which connections survive and which connections disappear. The brain is constantly remodeling itself. This remodeling depends on glial intelligence. Another glial cell is even more mysterious. Meet the microglia, the immune guardians of the brain. Microglia patrol neural tissue non-stop, searching for damage and infection. They remove cellular debris. They eliminate dysfunctional synapses. This process is called synaptic pruning. Pruning is essential for cognitive efficiency. Too little pruning creates neural noise. Too much pruning damages cognition. Balance is everything. Microglia respond to metabolic signals. Nutrition influences their behavior. Exercise influences their behavior. Sleep influences their behavior. Inflammation influences their behavior. Healthy microglia protect cognition. Overactive microglia may accelerate decline. The next cellular architect repairs brain wiring. These cells are oligodendrocytes. They produce myelin. Myelin insulates neural pathways. Think of it as biological cable coating. Without myelin, signals slow down. Communication becomes inefficient. Cognitive performance begins to suffer. Support glial health through daily habits. Protect sleep as a biological necessity. Exercise to strengthen brain resilience. Reduce chronic inflammation whenever possible, because cognitive longevity starts at the cellular level, and glial cells are the hidden architects of that future.